All right, guys, what we're going to be doing today is replacing one of these tub drain adapters. Now, I've been struggling with these for many years until I found the proper tool, which is this tub drain extractor from this company called Superior Tools. Now, you can get these at your local stores or online. I put some of the links below. They do help out the channel if you want to pick one up. And like I mentioned, I used to struggle with these for many years. I own multiple properties and I usually do a lot of things myself. I'm not a plumber, so I never kind of knew about this tool. I basically use this one here, and it has like a little crisscross in the middle, but what happens is with some time they do break, so I have to pass the inspection, so I have to replace them, and I will go crazy with a Dremel, spend 40 minutes just to try to take these out. So now with this one here, using a 1/2 inch ratchet, you could actually take them out. All you gotta do is kind of like put it in, tap it on the top, and then counterclockwise go ahead and remove it. Now you have both options. You could do it with an adjustable wrench if you have one, channel lock or something like that, or a big socket, but it's easier just to put the 1/2 inch right in there, and then you're pretty much good to go. So this one's from Superior Tools, model 5255. Again, you could get them online and check out some of our links. They do help out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. And don't forget to like and follow. So let's go ahead and remove the bad one. All right, as you can see in there, those little crisscross sections are broken. I try to remove it. So, I mean, it's not in bad shape, the exterior, but like I say, I have to pass inspection, so I need to have this in working order. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it works. All right, as I mentioned, this one here, it's already broken, so pretty much I can't use it anymore. That's pretty much it. All 4 of them broke, so we're gonna go ahead and use the tool. All right, and this thing is leaking also, this faucet. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna tap it a couple times. And with a 1/2 inch, push down and counterclockwise. Let's see how this thing works. And here we go. Look at that. Oh God. And easy peasy, super. Wow, can't believe I spent so many years trying to get this done, and now with this, perfect. And let's go ahead and clean it up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the little pieces that are in there. See if I get the needle nose. All right, so once you have everything clean, I normally like to replace this rubber seal that comes with the kit here. It doesn't go here, it goes in between this thread and under the bathtub. And what I like to do is use some, silicone, kitchen and bath, for tubs and things like that nature. To me, this lasts a little bit better than the putty, but you could use the putty if you like. But, I like to use, the silicone. All right, so, but either one will work. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bead of silicone around this so we can create a nice seal on the edge. We're gonna clean it up, tighten it, and then we should be good to go. All right, so just a bit of silicone around it. Remember, don't put anything on the threads, just, on the kind of like the flat side. And then once everything is nice and clean and ready to rock and roll, we're gonna go ahead and install it. And we're gonna clean the excess. Always put it in with your hand, and then now we can use this tool. And that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of silicone around. We're gonna clean that with some thinner. You can either use thinner or acetone. One, get the excess out, and we're good to go. And that's it, guys. So that's how you do it. Love the tool. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. And don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of our links that do help out the channel. Thanks for watching.